You are highly welcome to this video. My name is Ayetolani, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a simple trick you can use to promote your YouTube shorts with YouTube ads. YouTube advertising, either for you to get more views or whatever clicks you want to get. Do you understand? Now you can be able to use your YouTube short video to do that. Now, what is YouTube shorts? YouTube shorts are all this form of vertical video you see on maybe TikTok and YouTube platform, that is the short platform. So let's get right in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon you wish. So let's get right into it. So note, the next thing you want to do right now, whenever you get to this stage by which you need to set your campaign name, bid strategy, budget and date, schedule, and the targeting, all you need to just do is scroll down, and whenever you do all this you see above here, you just get to this video link section where you see your YouTube video, search for a video, or paste the URL of your video. Now the next thing you want to do is go to your YouTube channel, open another tab. This is my own channel, and when you open your channel, you're actually going to automatically get to the home section here. So you want to click on short. When you click on short, so you want to click on short. When you click on short, you're going to scroll down, short videos. Do you understand? Now you can check out everything here. You are going to see the list of the short video you have. So I'm going to right click on the first video, and I'm going to click on copy link address. Then I'm going to go back to the tab by which we have our YouTube campaign setup dashboard. Okay, then I'm going to click on this box here, and I'm going to paste it in. Do you understand? Paste it in. Once you paste it in, you're going to see your short video automatically here. Now listen to me very carefully. There's one thing you need to know about this thing. You are going to see two different kind of placement, which is skippable in-stream ad, in-feed video ad. Let's click on this skippable in-stream ad. You're going to see that automatically on this preview we have here, you're going to see that automatically this thing is still in the vertical mode, but it is cropped into an horizontal view, into the landscape view. So whenever people wants to see it on the skippable in-stream ads, when they are watching video and they see it, it's going to show exactly like this in the vertical mode, but in a cropped landscape mode. Do you understand now? So, and with this you can be able to put your website, set a call to action, and by so doing you get leads to your landing page and traffic. If you select the second option, which we have in-feed video ad, do you understand? You can be able to see an option here. You're going to see it here, and for the fact that you see it like this, this is how it's going to show in the in-feed video ads or on the feed. Okay, this is how it's going to show in the landscape mode, how your thumbnail is going to show. So all you need to do is just set up everything, and you'll be able to do that. Once you do that, then you click on, you go to your bid, you set your bid, which is apply the recommended bid they give to you. And once you do that, you see the estimated performance here, and you click on create campaign. Don't worry, if you want to see the full guide on how to run YouTube ads from scratch, do you understand? All you need to just do is click the video that you see suggested to you on the screen now, or the video you are going to see in the description box. You're going to see the link there, and in the comment section you can choose anyone. Check the description box, you see the full link to the full YouTube ads course, or check out the comment section and it will be pinned there. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and see you on the next video.